Did you know it takes just 7 seconds for someone to decide whether to stay or leave your presentation? What if I told you that you can create a movie style opening in PowerPoint that grabs attention instantly? In this video, I will show you how to create captivating PowerPoint movie openings that will wow your audience from the very first slide. Any presenter struggle with boring slide and lackluster opening that fail to engage their audience. But today I will show you how to turn that around with a movie style opening. First, insert a text box and enter your text. Align it to the center. Change the font and set the size to 240. Go to Format Shape and align it to the middle. Next, insert a rectangle shape, drag it over the text and send it to the back. Select both, go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract. This creates a cool cutout effect. Now, go to Format Shape, set the fill color to black with 30% transparency and remove the outline. Insert an image of your choice. Send it to the back. Open the Animation tab, select Grow and Shrink under Emphasis and set the duration to 6 seconds. Click on Effect option and adjust the final zoom effect to 130%. Use the animation painter to apply the same effect to the black cutout text. Set it to the with previous. Click on Effect option and adjust its final size to 1000%. Finally, add a fade exit animation to the text so it gradually fades out as we zoom in. Set the duration to 3 seconds with a 2-second delay. Preview the effect. It's simple but incredibly effective. Here is the magic. Just a few steps, you have transformed a basic slide into cinematic opening that grabs attention and sets the tone for your entire presentation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share your own tips in the comment, and check out my other videos for more presentation insights. See you in the next one.